Hello friend, welcome to my channel. I'm your host Joy and you are watching my channel Joy Tech. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up iPhone hotspot. It's a very simple process, but if you really don't know how to do it at your ISO devices, then watch this full video and you will get this how to make a hotspot at your ISO devices. Firstly, make sure that you have been data connection on your SIMs and you have been inserted your SIM in your ISO devices. Then type at your settings, tap at personal hotspot, just allow others to join your password. As you can see, when I try to open this, my hotspot is turned on and my Wi-Fi connection is lost. Now as you can see Wi-Fi password, just tap on it and you can also change it from here. After changing your password, just tap it done, and now you can share your data connection with your other devices like MacBook or your PCs or your another mobile phones. Like this, you can easily create your personal hotspot from your ISO devices. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please share it to your friends and definitely subscribe my channel. And if you have any other question, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.